Okay guys, so I saw that at my local EB, there was 2 OP02 packs left. And so I caved and I bought them both. And time to open them. And normally I open these with my friends, but I can't even wait. Like, I'm seeing them on Tuesday, but I literally can't wait to open them. So here we go. Join me. Which one should I open first? I'll open the sticker one first. I'm trying to build a Bonnie deck, so... I'm getting baited by the back. No! Freaking leader card. Sengoku and Buggy. Damn. Right, next one. I want baby 5 if I can in this set, but who knows? Oh, I can't believe us. Ever since my friend told me that if you get a leader in the pack, then there's definitely nothing in it, made me so upset. You may be a fool, but I still love you. No, nothing. Sad. Bad packs.